Diva decorating. There she is. Here she comes. There she goes. Are you ready? Let's go. I hope you all enjoyed my Valentine's Day living room tour. Now let's go decorate my coffee counter area. So if you're new here, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. And if you are an old family member of mine, of the Diva family, welcome back, loves. So guys, don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe for the video. Okay, let's keep going.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.